to our channel. If you're new here, I'm T, and we have Charlie behind the camera. We are continuing our US road trip and we are in New Orleans. So we are staying at the Jung Hotel in New Orleans, and we are staying in a standard double room. So, come on in.
Let's show you around.
So straight away the door, for safety you have this locking mechanism and you also have the lock down here. So very good. Over here we have the main light system. So this covers the majority of the lights in the room. You also have a switch for privacy, so the housekeeping doesn't disturb you, and also a button just in case you want them to come and help with the room. So immediately to my right, your left, let's open up. We have the bathroom. So come on in, come on in. So my favourite, we have the his and her sink. Hers, his.
Or his, hers.
Or his.
His, hers.
So if you come on in, we've got these beautiful pictures. We've got the well-lit mirrors. I love a vanity mirror, so this is really lovely when you're doing your makeup. Of course, we've got the close-up mirror, which is actually on Charlie's side, should be on mine. But yeah, if you need to use that. Over here, we have the taps. Very nice. If you come around this way, we have the toilet, little lovely nook, and then we have the shower. So in all, well, hairdryer as well.
Hairdryer. Before you start that, you need to mention the sound if people are listening.
Yeah, so if you've been paying close attention, you might have heard the sound of the waves. So I'll just be quiet for a second. So it is actually quite soothing. I'm not normally a sound person, but something about sitting on the toilet and listening to waves
just helps you do your business.
It's very nice.
We haven't worked out how to turn that off. It's on all the time. You
Yeah.
don't hear it in the main room, but there may be a switch somewhere to turn it off, but we quite like it.
Yeah, so here's the shower.
Let me come through and have a
You come
look.
through, we do have our stuff in it, but you've got the main waterfall and then you've also got a little handheld shower. I will just turn that on so you can see what that looks like, if you understand this one. So this side is for the shower head, and that turns off. And then, as you can see, the main shower.
Very good shower pressure.
Yeah, so you've also got these two light switches. So that light switch that I just pressed, if Charlie turns around, that turns off the shower light. And then this one turns off the bathroom light and leaves everything besides the shower. So let's continue. So you've got a lovely full length mirror there. And if you come further in, again, we've got more pictures on this side. And if you go through into this door, we have a lovely storage unit slash closet slash extra bedding. So very nice size.
Loads of room.
We've got 3 of our suitcases in there.
All of our road trip belongings fit, which is good. And the iron, there's an iron in there.
Oh yeah, and right in the corner the iron and
She
the ironing
doesn't
board.
iron, so that's not something she normally picks up on. I'm the ironer of the pair of us, so I like an iron in the room.
So if we continue down here, we've got this lovely unit. Okay, that's not how you open it. If you have long nails like myself. On this side you actually have a coffee machine. So you've got a coffee machine, you've got some...
Coffee beans, yeah.
No, but that's like coffee powder.
No, it's coffee grounds.
Ground coffee, yeah. It's not coffee beans. And then down here, we've got Pringles that don't come with the room. And then on this side, we have a mini fridge.
That comes completely empty for you to fill with whatever you wish, which we
Yeah.
really like, because we never buy anything from the mini bars, so we like an empty fridge.
So no prepaid items or anything like that, just a fridge for you to stock up with your own needs. So I'll just close that, no soft close there. So over here we have one of the side tables on the side of the bed. So again, controlling the lighting. I don't know what that controls that corner of the room over there. We've got a telephone for you to phone downstairs or long distance calls. You've also got a drawer. Now you would have noticed the massive bed next to me as well. What size is this?
This, I think, is a king bed. We'll have to double check and put it up
Yeah.
as always, but believe it's a king bed.
Very comfortable bed, but if you do watch our room tours, you'll know what's coming at the end. Over here, I've actually not noticed these.
Drawer space, yeah,
Got
all the way
drawer
around.
space. So this doesn't move, but these are all drawers. So if you're someone that likes to unpack everything when they stay somewhere, then you've got plenty drawer space here.
Huge TV, just gotta say.
I forgot the TV. Massive TV, your usual shows and whatnot. If we come further in, we've just got more room. So we have our trusty desk. Oh, this drops down and has USB
That's cool.
ports. What's in this one? Okay, that is just a drawer for show. And then this drawer has the safe. And I quite like the way the safe is located, just because it's quite, like, unless you know where it is, you
Hidden.
don't know. Yeah, it's hidden, that's the word.
Our safe, as soon as you open it just falls open. Oh, it hasn't done it. Oh, there we go. See,
No,
ours
yeah,
falls
it's
open.
quite heavy.
That's why we had the chair in the way and why the chair's sitting there. But stores loads, laptops, everything else we need. Loads of room in there.
Yeah, we've also got some space for shoe storage down here, and I don't know what else you would put up here, but just more space, more room for you to put things. If I show you here, we do have manual, what are these called? Blackout curtains?
Yeah.
As well as, the usual mesh curtains.
Should we show everyone where we're located? Oh, you've got a tram right outside right now.
Lucky.
We're right on the street, but we don't hear a huge amount. You hear a little
Yeah,
bit.
we're just off of Canal Street, which is a really good location. I'll open this one as well. Is this one open? Yes. Open this one as well. One thing you might notice is this room actually has quite a bit of lighting. It's quite good. Normally you only have the lamps and there's no like ceiling lights. So it's really good that this room has quite a bit of lighting in the central room as well as the bathroom. On this side we have the aircon unit. So we've turned it off because when it's on, you can hear it, the ventilation. Lucky for us, we've got degrees Celsius as well as Fahrenheit. So we can like change it so we know without having to do the mental maths. So I'll just turn that off. Is there anything else I've missed, John?
Yes, this chair. You haven't used this chair and the great feature of the chair.
Yes. The armchair. So there is a nook on the side of this armchair, which when you push it, I think the bed's supposed to be further away.
I'm going to spin the chair around. There you go. Look at that.
What a lovely armchair.
I mean, it's cool. We don't really use it. You may use it, but we've had fun just doing that and then not using it.
So I'll just put that back.
And with the pan of the
I'll
room.
put it back.
Whee.
So yeah, that's the room. So in all things TNC fashion, there's only one thing left to do, which is jumping on the bed.
3, 2, 1. Whee. Thoughts? How is it?
Oh, I love this bed. It's so comfy. Oh, one thing to mention about the lining of the bed while I'm on it. They've got this fleece in between the sheets. So it's really warm, it's very nice, and it's just comfy in general. I'll just show you the cushions. I mean, the cushions are unusually square. I don't know whether that's something to do with us.
What it is you see the ones behind, they fold them when they make the bed. That's what they do. I've never seen that before. We've never seen that before, but yeah, so they've squished the pillow up.
Yeah, so they're very plump, very nice. But that brings us to the end of the room tour. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and subscribe, and make sure you continue on this journey with us as we travel through the US. But for now, we'll throw a link up to the rest of our US travel vlogs, and we hope to see you soon. Bye.